Hey, we know you're the proud owner of an '07 and newer Dodge Ram with welded-in tie-downs, and now you're the proud owner of a DualLiner. We're going to show you the installation step by step. When you get to the tailgate, you'll actually have to reach into your toolbox and get a T30 bit out. Step one is to install the custom-fitted load guard. Be sure it goes in behind the tie-downs and just snap it in place. Step two is the hard custom-fitted sidewalls. They slide in under the bed rail, like that. The sidewalls lock into the load guard with just two simple push pins. The second sidewall slides in just like the first, with two push pins in the front corner. Step three is to roll out the ZeroSkid floor. Here's the patented dual technology. The ZeroSkid floor interlocks with the hard custom-fitted sidewalls in this channel. That floor is a full 3/8 inch thick. The nubs on the bottom allow airflow to evaporate moisture quickly, and the ribs on the top give you that zero-skid surface. Step four is where we install the tailgate panel, and you finally reach into your toolbox and get that Torx head T30 bit. You're going to remove 6 out of the 8 factory mounting bolts out of the latch plate, leaving this one and this one. As we go to reinstall those factory screws, we're going to install a spacer on each one. That allows the tailgate panel to flex in the heat. As you tighten the factory bolts, be sure to use a hand tool. If you use a power tool, you're very likely to strip the threads out of the factory sheet metal. You may notice some wrinkles in the mat. That's normal from being rolled tightly in the box. A few days in the sun and they'll just relax away. Optionally on the tailgate, we've given you 4 areas that you can add push pins to. You'll need to drill a 1/4 inch hole, use just a little bit of rust preventative, and install the push pins. That's it, 4 easy steps, and you have the world's only real truck bed protection system. Be sure you jump out to the website, DualLiner.com, and fill in your warranty registration form. The real lifetime warranty is there for your protection. Hey, now that you've seen how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they can own the only bed liner that works.